Welcome to again my YouTube channel, guys. How are you? I hope you're fine and good now. And because today I'll be making for you latest video, and I hope you will be completely watching my video because I'm more helping to you. And I hope you will be because latest the braindoku, the sudoku block puzzle brain training quiz game available now, and how to be complete with this game levels. Because guys, it's a finish level 1 in the first world step, and finish the first world, and finish the 5 world, finish the 10, and finish the 18 world. So step by step I will be explain you how to be complete with this world, and I hope you will be completely watching my video, and I like and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm more helping to you. I'm making for you video like the longer video because I will be explain you how to complete to be finish the 18 worlds. Guys, listen me, because I want to teach you how to playing this game, and how I will be give you best advice meaning like be I give you like be between face to face right places, how to complete with this game levels, meter, depth, quiz, everything I will be explain you. I give you strategy, okay? Then you will be understand, so you will be easily completed to be your game. So this mean I will be guide to you, and I will be advice give you and strategy give you, then you will be easily complete to be this game. So my reason this, and I hope you will be enjoy my video, and please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's start this video. Okay guys, I'm be already like we explain to you how to complete to be this, because I will be starting this game and everything so much easily now, not to be have any problem. I will be explain you because I like this game, and I will be completely teach to you how to complete to be these games. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, this is the everything so much easily now. I will be guide to you how to complete to be these games like the levels, because I will be teach to you how to be complete to be these worlds, because this is the everything so much easily now. Many of people sometimes not to be understand. Before I request to you, never be skipping these ads now, because many of people like be skipping this ad, then he never be receiving many coins, because they like we give you much coins, because when you will be not to be have coins, so then you will be never be accept to like be finish the 18 world. So guys, this is the everything more easily now, and just I will be explain you how to complete to be these games. And before I will be explaining you everything about this game, and I hope you will be completely watching now, because I want to be telling to you everything be truly. Okay, so checking now. Okay, no, no, no. Okay, just I try to be explain you. Checking now. Super. This is the everything more easily now, because many of people sometimes not to be understand to you how to complete to be these games, but I will be guide to you always, always, always. Okay, just my wish, I will be explain you all about this game, how to complete to be these games. and levels how to be completed now. And before, never be skipping these ads because this is the more important for you, and this is the important for you more than, because some of people sometimes maybe like not to be understand know how to complete to be this game. So I will be explain you all about, and I hope you will be always to be be understand what be my reasonable. Okay, so I will be collecting on the screens 4 levels starting now. Play, and this is my reward. Thank you so much. Okay, 4 levels starting now. Okay, guys, next step. Okay. Okay, so this game everything so much easily now because I want to be explain you every time every day. So this is the big and nice tricks. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for you watching my video.